So I dip my rag in a solution that is professional grade vinegar and Dawn dish soap mixed with water. I get my windows really wet. I saturate these stickers as much as possible and then I use the razor. If I were to replace the razor on this would go so much faster. The razor's kind of wearing out and I just need to change the blade. I'm a professional house cleaner, and one of the main cleans I do is a post-construction new build home clean. And these razors are the number one thing in my toolkit when I'm doing this sort of clean, and they really come in handy when I'm doing a deep clean as well. But for the post-construction, I do inside and outside windows. If you're not charging for inside and outside windows and using these razors to get all that new sticker residue, gunk, splatter, whatever is all over these windows, make sure you're charging extra for those, and use these razors. Always keep your razor or your surface wet when you're using them. They usually come in a 2-pack. They'll come with extra razors, and they are the number one thing in my toolkit whenever I'm doing this sort of clean. They work so well. One end has the regular standard razor blade, and the other end is a plastic blade. And it comes with the refillables for both the plastic and the metal piece. And it comes with caps so you're not poking yourself. They work so well. I need these for so many different things and I replace them all the time because they're necessary. They're a necessity for this sort of clean. If you're a professional cleaner, you know these are the razors that you need to have. Look at that goo and that buildup residue, whatever that is, coming off so easily. If I didn't have the razors, I would not be able to get these windows as perfect as they're about to be.